Buyer demand has slowed on the Eastern Shore, though interest rates have improved slightly and prices are up 3.5% year to date. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Buyer demand in Wicomico, Cecil, and Dorchester counties is slow. Caroline, Queen Anne's, Talbot, Worcester, Somerset and Kent Counties all fell to limited. On the shore, inventory continues to fall. This week, there are 1,112 homes for sale. 103 homes came to the market since last report. 47 homes are coming soon. 61 went under contract. 85 properties went to pending, and 92 properties sold in 21 days at 97.3% list to sold ratio. This reflects a better sold ratio and those sold faster in the past few weeks. The highest sale this past week was in Ocean City for $1,060,000. Rentals went up to 89 rentals listed, dropping to a median of $1,850 per month and rising to being on the market for 30 days. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, January 13th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.